this video. In this video, I'll tell you keyboard shortcuts that will ace up your game in Excel. It's gonna be a quick but an informative video. So let's just get right into it. So this is gonna be our example sheet for today's video. So let's start. So first shortcut is select all, which shortcut is Ctrl+A. So for example, this is like example data. Like let's say you want the borders to be like thick. So most people will just select and then go to all borders. But then they think they want to add more data, so they have to zoom out. But when you do that, the all border is not applied on them, and then you manually had to apply all borders on them too. But the better and efficient solution would be is just press Ctrl+A, which will select all of the cells on this worksheet. So Ctrl+A and then all borders. Now if you zoom out, here you can see every cell in this like data sheet. Every cell has now all border on it. So this was the first shortcut. The next shortcut will be shift. So for example, you want to move this department, like this department column to the designation column. So you want to interchange their position. So how do you do that? So first select all of it and then like do not move it when like this icon comes like a plus. So when this icon comes like a plus with arrows on the end, like on the B's edge, then drag it. But if you drop it, it won't work. So to make it work, drag it and then hold down shift and then drop it. This is how you change column's position. The next shortcut will be about filter. So you can add filter by selecting all of it, going to data tab and then filter. But the efficient way would be using keyboard shortcuts. So select all your data and then Ctrl+Shift+L to add filter. And so this is the filter, and if you want to remove all of the filter, just Ctrl+Shift+L again, and you've removed the filter. It is that easy. The next shortcut will be about charts. So to make all your data into a chart quickly, just select the data, Ctrl+T, and then press OK. And now your data is turned into a chart. It is that easy. The next shortcut will be about formatting cells. So if you want to format, let's say, like this cell, just go just like select the cell and go to Ctrl+1, and it opens up format cells. Here you can change the number, you can make it a currency, you can change the alignment, font, border, fill, protection, like whatever you want to do with the cell. The next shortcut will be about rows and columns. So to add a row, just go to any cell and then Ctrl+Shift+. And it's that simple, Ctrl+Shift+, and you have a new row. And to add a new column, just select any cell and then Control like spacebar and then Control+, like not Control+, Ctrl+Shift+, and that will give you a new column. And to delete these column and rows, let's go back to, so just select any cell from that column, Control spacebar, and then Control-, and then select the cell from that row, Control-. The last shortcut will be about subtotal. So if you want to quickly add a subtotal of all the numbers, just click on the cell below all the numbers and Alt equals. And there you have it, a subtotal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel because it would help us immensely. Brainy Brothers are signing up for now. Bye bye. See you soon.